the 3 icebreakers that I use every single year, and it works every single year. The first one is human bingo. So human bingo is literally bingo, but in each box is a description. So the descriptions could be anything like, I have more than one sibling, I'm the oldest, I'm the youngest, I don't have social media, I do have social media, any of those things. You put it into a box. The kids have to walk around, get a signature, and they can only get a signature one time. So which means they have to keep on talking to other students. The second one is four corners. There's like 3 different versions of four corners that you can do. There's the version where you can have agree, strongly agree, disagree, strongly disagree. You can give them prompts, and they can go to the corner that's most closely related to their response to that prompt. That usually works best with the older kids when I had 8th grade. The other version, when you give them a prompt and you have like either four pictures or 4 different responses, that could be like, oh, what is your favorite thing to do? And then there could be sports, TV, phone, and something else in the 4th corner, and then the kids go to the corner that, they most relate to. And then the version that I normally use is the one that doesn't actually involve them walking into corners. They're writing in the corners of their paper. They write their name in the center of the paper, and in each corner they have characteristics. So one corner would be, what's your favorite thing to do for fun? Another corner would be, what's your favorite apps? Another corner would be, who's your favorite celebrity? And another corner would be, what are your favorite foods? You do corner by corner. So they'll walk around and first find who shares the same activities that they do for fun. They'll walk around, find somebody, oh, everybody in this group likes football. Everybody in this group likes to sleep. Everybody in this group likes to be on their phone, blah, blah, blah. And they talk, you let them talk for a little while, then you bring it back, you talk about it with the class, and you move on to the next one. The last one is the name game, which I'm sure everybody's also familiar with. That's when the first person says their name. You can either do first and last name, which I would do for 6th grade, or any other grades where they already know each other. You would just do their first name and an adjective. And then the second person would have to say the first person's name and then their name. The third person would say the first person's name, the second person's name, and then their name. And then the fourth person would say the first person, second person, third person, and then their name, and so on. And as a teacher, you always go last. And then if you want to drag it out, like I always do, you can have the kids try to do the whole class on their own.